Do you have a knack for keeping things organized? Do you go Marie Kondo decluttering messy spaces all the time? Do you believe in the clear space, clear mind way of life?
Because we have a super cool alternative career path only for you. That 2020 was a mess would be an understatement. And while there's no guarantee of how clear or organized 2021 will be, there's one learning for sure. Be now and do now. Because future mein kya ho jaye kisi ko nahi pata hai. So if you're a neat freak looking to start a side hustle this year, right now is a great time to become a professional organizer in India.
A professional organizer is someone, like what I particularly do, is that we go to people's homes and we help you organize, your surroundings. First, you need to declutter, which is remove that excess stuff that we all have been hoarding, thinking that we will need it someday, but that someday hasn't come. But really explaining to the people that, you need to get, rid of such items, and then helping you, putting systems and processes in place so that your home becomes organized with the things that get left behind.
So here's how you can become a professional organizer in India. Pursue a course to train yourself in professional organizing. Conduct a market research to understand the demand. Take on organizing sessions for friends and family free of cost. Register your enterprise. Price your services and create a catalog. Create a website and set up social media accounts. Start organizing professionally. Market on social media and through word of mouth. The only investment you need to make is training and certification. The profits could range anywhere between 40 to even 100% on this investment.
It's really based on the kind of value that you can bring to the table. There is a professional technique to it. So if you feel that you have that in you, and if you feel that you have studied it, properly and professionally, then please go ahead and, take that money. I would definitely say please charge a premium amount. People are ready to give money, so it's okay. It's perfectly fine even if you ask, X amount. Don't undermine yourself thinking that whether I get it, whether will people like it or not, whether if they don't like it, they'll not call you. And if they like you, they will call you.
You can also sign up to the Kool Kanya women-only career community to ask and answer questions, grow your professional network and build a career you love. The details to the sign up are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to Kool Kanya. Tell us which more alternative career paths you'd like us to explore in our next video. And until next time, raise your power.